Welcome back to my channel. This is Kim, and I'm going to show you the walkthrough of my Golden Days album. I will be doing a tutorial. However, I was recording this one when I was making it, but I made such a major mistake that I had to fix it, and I will point it out to you. But now I have to make a new tutorial because I don't know how to edit. So yeah, it's been an interesting album to make. It was a stupid mistake on my part, but I fixed. This book will obviously only be mine. I won't be giving it as a gift because of how I screwed it up. But anyway, all right, so I didn't do a whole lot up here because I wanted the flowers to show. I have a mixture of flowers down here on the bottom left-hand corner with two metal leaves. I always like to mix I like some paper, some lace, some wood, some metal. And so here's the wood piece over here. Here's a wagon wheel and a flower, a barrel from the ephemera. I found stickers that have the epoxy stuff on it that I spelled out thankful. So you would think, oh wait, here's the cover, the spine, the back. Now you would think that you would open this up, right? And then you would open up the album. That's how it was supposed to be, but look at what I had to do. I had to cut off the side piece because it was, I guess, too short or not wide enough, and so there was a big gap and the magnets wouldn't meet, and it was a disaster. But because I'd used the lay flat method, I could save the album. I mean, you can see some fuzzy paper right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera where I had to slice off that little spine, but this comes right off. But I wanted this on there, so I don't know. Oh, anyway. But I like the cover, even though there's no spine here on the side, and I still have a hole right here that I need to add a charm, but I haven't done that yet. So what I did was I made a double waterfall, and I was watching Tiffany's video, and she always puts her magnet underneath the first page so that you can see that pretty paper. So that is what I did because that was really smart. So I did the first page with a mat on the back, but then the ones after that I did not. This paper is so cute, pretty, I guess. And then in between here I used Copper Penny. It's a glimmer paper from Country Craft Creations, but these cut aparts are so beautiful I couldn't take it. Look at how beautiful. So then this one closes, and then this one opens the opposite direction. Again, one paper here on the back because I had to hide the magnet, and maybe that'll be for journaling. But again, the cut aparts, fabulous, fabulous. Okay. So this is where the mistake came. This pocket is, what did I make it? Like a 1/2 inch deep. So you can see it, so that you could fit stuff in there. And I just used some brads and cut some circles. I put some of the ephemera down here. And then when you open it, there's a lot of room in here to put stuff in. But I didn't account for that when I made the spine. So, live and learn. Let me just wrap that back up. So I like having thicker pockets. Now I'll know I've learned my lesson. You have to make the spine bigger. Now this is going to lift up. And then I have some place for pictures there. This is a double pocket. I can put things inside of there. But this also opens to the side. And so there's a belly band here and a stopper here, so I can stick something in there. I still need to make cards and stuff. And then this flips up and this flips over. So that's what it looks like when it's all the way open. I totally love the book. I like the design of it. It's fast and easy if you don't screw up. So when I make the tutorial, I'll just use a regular cover. You know, I won't have any fancy cover, so you might want to, if you do make it with the side spine, you're going to have to make it a little bit bigger than the one over here. But, you know, it's for me, so it's okay. And, you know, when you look at it, you wouldn't really notice. I, of course, noticed because I'm the one who made the mistake. But so that is my Golden Days album. I am happy with it, even though, you know, there was a little oopsie. So I will be doing a tutorial. I'll be making a new one, and I don't know if I have enough paper to do another one with this collection or if I'll use a different collection. I don't know. I might be able to squeeze out some. I bought one collection pack. I don't know, it'll be close. But anyway, so stay tuned for a tutorial. I hope you liked it. I know that I've had a lot of people ask me to make a tutorial, and I thought I was done, but I'm not because I have to make a new one. So, all right, thanks everyone. And if you are interested in that Golden Days collection by Mintay, Tammy had it in the Country Craft Creation store online, but I don't know how much she has left, so you might want to check that out. And I also had the ephemera to go with it. So, all right, I'm off to do a tutorial.